guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making an original Dal Pakwan. Now, when you go to a restaurant or especially one of those street foods which in Chembur or in Indore or also in Ulasnagar, they do a Dal Pakwan, but there they have almost like 2 or 3 kinds of dals. This is a very restaurant style. Now obviously जब हम दाल पकवान घर पे बनाते हैं, we're not going to make 3 different kinds of dals. We just make one, which is our standard Sunday Dal Pakwan, which is the fix for all Sindhis. For that, very simple, we have over here, we have soaked chana dal. Now this chana dal needs to be soaked for at least 3 to 4 hours. So literally, when you are breaking it, so it very easily breaks up, okay? Now also at the same time, we are not going to make this very mushy or watery, okay? You have to get जो दाल है ना वो मुंह में आनी चाहिए. So literally I've got about 300 grams of dal here, into which I'm going to be adding, very simple, not too much spices and all. When you cook it, तड़के में हम वो डालेंगे. So we've added a little bit, 1 teaspoon of haldi, and I've added about 2 teaspoons of salt in this, which you can always adjust. And then what we do is we just take slit 1 green chili or maybe 2 green chilies, okay? And that's it. Now literally we take about twice almost the amount of water which I have put for my dal. So since I have used this, let me show you the measuring in this only. तो 1 and 2, ठीक है, ये डाल दिए हमने और अभी हम इसको 2 या 3 सीटी दे देंगे. Now while this is all happening, I'm going to be making the pakwan ka dough for you. So I have here about 200 grams of flour. So इसमें हमने डाली है 1 teaspoon of jeera and half a teaspoon of ajwain and about 1 teaspoon of salt here. To this अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें 2 teaspoon तेल, okay? Perfect. And now अभी हम इसको literally इसको हम mix कर देते हैं. तो literally we want the oil to make the flour come together, okay? And literally you will know exactly what I'm talking about, that they start forming these little balls, okay? So literally once this starts clumping, you know that your flour is ready to take the water, okay? तो उसको और थोड़ा सा mix कर देते हैं. Now this is exactly what you're looking for till it starts getting like this, okay? ये देखो, almost getting there. So literally until ये जो you guys, I don't know, मराठी में गट्ठा बोलते हैं, गट्ठा. Okay, until you get these, okay, you're set now. Now into this, I'm going to be adding a little cold water, just a little by little, okay? ये measurement तो इसकी मुझे पता नहीं है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा अंदाज अपना as we call it. So we just going to put this together. I'm going to put water just little by little, not too much, okay? Because literally you're looking for almost like a semi-stiff, okay, or semi-hard dough. It's not to be soft, okay? So now it's coming together beautifully, just like this, okay? So literally you bring as much as you can together, and then उसके बाद हम थोड़ा सा पानी डालेंगे इसमें और, okay? And generally you want to make this fast. You don't want too much gluten formation, okay? We are looking for a really nice, crispy, lovely, perfect. I don't think I'm going to need any more. Getting this together, beautiful. And you can see that our dough is forming beautifully, okay? Perfect. अभी हम हल्का सा इसे knead कर देते हैं 2 मिनट के लिए या 3 मिनट के लिए, and हमारा पकवान का dough is almost ready. My dough is ready. अभी हम इसमें 20 या 30 ग्राम के हम balls बना रहे हैं. अभी उससे about 30 to 40 grams के balls बना रहे हैं. In the meanwhile, get my oil together. So for frying the pakwans, obviously I have chosen Emami Healthy and Tasty Ultralite Soyabean Oil by Emami. No chip, nice clean neutral flavors, just amazing. Now remember, when you're frying pakwans, you have to actually fry it on a medium-high flame, okay? Now, आजकल people are even using the air fryer, they're using ovens. But you know what? I eat pakwans, dal pakwans, very rarely at home. I like to eat them outside. तो जब घर पे बनता है ना, तो मैं बिल्कुल 2-3 पकवान पेल लेता हूँ. It's been a while that I haven't eaten dal pakwan, but believe me, for me, it's one of the best Sunday breakfast which every Sindhi has. So generally, the Sunday turns out a little heavy because the dal pakwan, uske baad followed by Sindhi curry and rice. It is a typical Sindhi comatose. So tightening these balls up, waiting for my oil to get hot. Remember, the pakwan has to be fried at a medium-low flame. So you're not using any oil or flour in this, okay? You have to literally roll it out just like this. Now remember, the thickness of a pakwan, okay, is the same as of a chapati, okay? Now remember, this is made of maida, so it tends to shrink and try to pull. So we am just lightly rolling it out, okay? Now, one important step before you fry this is pricking it with a fork, okay? You want a few dimples in here, but you don't want it to puff up completely. That's exactly what I'm doing here. So we've got fairly thin, exactly like a chapati. I had mentioned I'm using a round cutter here, okay, to just make them slightly more smaller, okay? Lovely pakwans, and then we're just going to be pricking these just like this. Perfect. Now let's check out our temperature. I'm going to just put a piece like this as a trial because the temperature is very important. So we're going to keep these pressed down, okay? We are frying it literally in a medium hot oil, and literally you let it really color on one side, let them form their shape before you actually flip it out, okay? So as you can see, there's a nice color happening on the other side. Okay, we have to make them a little crispy. So we have our pakwan ready here. The first pakwan, we putting it right here, making it stand so that literally it drains properly. So literally we have to make sure that we are actually pressing this down, okay? Don't turn them so quickly, okay? You want them to get some shape. You want them to form their shape, get a little nicely colored. My oil is on a really nice medium-high flame at the moment. At this stage, I'm going to be flipping this and literally going to go nice and golden brown. Nice and crispy. Pakwan is done. Dal is also cooked. As soon as this is done, I'm going to show you how Mum used to give her dal pakwan ka dal ka tadka. Totally epic recipe, guys. You have to do this at home. Remember, the dal was very simple. जब हमने chana dal पकाई थी, in that we put salt, turmeric, and 1 slit green chili. That's it. So now, this is really simple. In fact, I know a lot of people who just like to eat this on their own, okay? Now for this, I love to make a really nice tadka. Now for the tadka, I'm going to be using ghee. The pakwans we like to fry in lovely light soyabean oil, but the tadka of the dal has to be done in ghee, okay? So we've got dal, lovely here. To this we have some jeera. We have a couple of chopped green chilies in here as well, okay? इसको हल्का सा हम फ्राई कर लेते हैं. उसमें हम डालेंगे एक मीडियम साइज बारीक कटी हुई प्याज, गिविंग दिस अ लिटिल लवली मिक्स. इसको हल्का सा फ्राई कर देते हैं. एंड देन ऑल्सो अबाउट अ मीडियम एंड हाफ, लाइक 2 स्मॉल टमाटोज को हमने चॉप कर लिया है. ब्यूटिफुल. सो दिस इज जस्ट वन ऑफ दोज एपिक तड़काज विच आई रियली लव, ओके? तो अभी इसके बाद हम डालेंगे इसमें मसाले. अबाउट अ लिटिल लेस देन अ टीस्पून ऑफ रेड चिली पाउडर. आई हैव गॉट हाफ अ टीस्पून ऑफ धनिया पाउडर. आई हैव गॉट हाफ अ टीस्पून ऑफ cumin powder. And then we have just a little bit of turmeric going in here. Okay, we're going to give this a really nice mix. Okay, इसमें हम थोड़ी सी नमक भी डाल देते हैं. And then we're going to be adding a little bit of amchur. Okay, so the amchur will actually go little towards the end directly after I actually cook this tadka off, because you know what, Otherwise, the amchur, it tends to go a little bitter. Yes. तो कुकर यहाँ पे खुल गया. Now you can see this dal. This is how the dal is supposed to be. It's got a little liquid to it. You can still see and taste. जो दाल है वो मुंह में आनी चाहिए. Literally. Okay. I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt to this, giving this a little mix. Beautiful. और उसके बाद हम डालेंगे, oh yes, हमारा तड़का इसमें. Beautiful. इसको अभी छोड़ेंगे नहीं हम, इसमें थोड़ा सा दाल भी डाल देते हैं. नाइस. और अभी हम डालेंगे फर्स्ट क्लास. तो हमारी दाल भी रेडी हो गई. फिर बचा हमारा अमचूर पाउडर. फर्स्ट क्लास. ये अमचूर पाउडर डाल दिया हमने. थोड़ा सा चॉप्ड धनिया भी डाल देते हैं और हमारी संडे की फीस्ट रेडी. इट्स टाइम टू प्लेट दिस अप. आवर लवली OG Sindhi Dal Pakwan ready. So we have our dal, we have our pakwan. थोड़ी सी तो गार्निशिंग वगैरह तो हो जाती है. Now we have some lovely chopped onions on the top. Then we have हमारी गिदाम्बरी tamarind chutney, which you will have seen in my other videos. And then a combo of this lovely green chutney. Beautiful. है ना? So थोड़ा सा nice धनिया. And then again मेरा favorite अमचूर का पाउडर. Sunday is totally sorted. हमारा दाल पकवान रेडी हो गया है. अभी थोड़ी सी टेस्टिंग तो हो जानी चाहिए. A little bit of green chutney, a little bit of tamarind chutney, and a beautiful, crispy, non-greasy pakwan with the most soul-satisfying recipe from our house. With lots of love from my kitchen to yours. Sabhi chao, Julela!